we live in the Philippines where, you know, we live in a country na sobrang ang gagaling ng mga kumakanta, kahit isa lang mo sa video, okay, ready. Pero paano mag-prepare yung isang Jed Madela?
That's one thing kasi sa atin, sa Pilipinas, ang taas ng standards natin.
Oo, sobra.
Tsaka hindi ka pwedeng magkamali. Kasi
Yes.
isang maliit na pagkakamali lang, it's a big thing. You know, people wait for you to mess up. People wait for you to screw up when it comes to your performances. And hindi mo naman maiwasan yan. There are times na talagang mag-bloopers ka talaga. So, yun, I just try my best to be prepared. And if things don't happen the way I expect them to, ganun talaga. And you just laugh it off. Kasi dati sobrang ako, affected when it comes to things that it doesn't happen according to what I expected to.
Lalo na kung naging hands-on ka.
Lalo na naging hands-on ka. After the show, I tend to, hindi ko na pinapansin yung magagandang nangyari. Diba? So which is unfair naman. So ayun, eventually, as years went on, I learned how to change my mindset. Na, you know, this small mistake does not define the entire production. So, yun, always look at the good of everything. Huwag na yung nega, huwag na yung nangyari, just brush it off. And, you know, good mindset lang.
And alam mo, minsan nga yung bloopers sa shows, yung pa yung mga nagpapaganda eh.
Yes.
As a fan, ako mas ayoko yung super pulido. Mas gusto ko yung minsan may candid moments.
And it gives it more character.
Yes.
And that's something that people will remember na, ay, tao din pala siya. Nagkakamali din pala siya. And it kind of bridges the gap also. Kasi minsan people would look up to their idols na parang, oh, grabe, untouchable, ang galing niya on stage. And it tends to create a gap.
Yeah.
Na parang, dito na lang kami manonood na lang kami, makikinig. Kasi hindi naman namin ka-level. But once you mess up or you forget a line or nagka-bloopers ka on stage, it makes them realize, ay, tao din pala siya. So, ka-level tayo.
Mas pumapalpak pa nga sila
Mas
pag ganun eh.
pumapalpak sila. And it makes it more enjoyable, no? Nawawala yung stiffness and it breaks the ice. Hindi naman sa gusto ko magka-bloopers.
Oo, hindi naman goal yun.
But yeah, you just have to deal with whatever happens.